Flying your drone at night time can be seen as a dangerous way to fly, but there are ways that you can fly at night time which are much safer and much more healthier to you and your eyesight. I'm going to give you a very good tip that the flyby guys use because we do a lot of night operations and this will help you a lot. Let's go. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. I hope you're all well. I'm still here in Taiwan in quarantine, but I think it's a good time to make a video or two. So this is a video which I've wanted to make for quite some time because it's very useful for you if you're going to fly at night time. Now before I start, make sure you check your rules and regulations for where you are and to see if you're allowed to fly at night time. And if you are allowed to fly at night time, I'm going to give you an excellent tip that the Flyby Guys always use when we do night operations. So when it's nighttime, obviously you want to have a torch or a flashlight with you, and you put your flashlight on and you're checking all your drone equipment, all your cabling. Maybe you want to do some flight permissions and whatnot. So having a white light is usually the first thing. You might even have it on your phone, but actually that's the wrong thing to use. White light is actually damaging to your eyes and it can cause temporary blindness in the very center of your vision. So when you put your drone up in the air and you're looking for the drone, you actually might not see it. And that's when you get a bit of confusion because the center of your eyesight is actually lost. White light is damaging to your eye, especially at nighttime, because it's so intense, it's so bright that it actually hurts the retinas. So what can you do about that? Well, the Flyby Guys, when we're on night operations, we use red lights. We use red lamps on our head. These are the safest way to do operations. You can easily read, you can do cabling, you can launch your drone and you're not going to blind anyone else if someone's with you. So red lights are the safest way to do night operations, and when we are doing night operations, we use red lights all the time. Anyone got a white light, we shut down. We don't move for about 20 minutes because someone can be actually blind for that time. So no white light is allowed when we are doing night operations, only red lights. So make sure you get one like this. This is actually a USB one, so it's actually quite handy, so I can charge it on the go as well. So it's actually quite practical. It does have white light on it, but as I say, when we are doing stuff with drones, only red light. So this is the much healthier, safest way for you to fly, and I do recommend it. So give it a try. It is really good, and I find that it makes things a lot easier as well. Listen, thank you very much. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next time when I get out of here. Fly safe.